Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to enable and how to disable the TalkBack function in Realme 14 Pro phone. First of all, where to look for it? So, settings. Next in settings, we need to go to accessibility and convenience, then accessibility at the top, and here we have some tabs at the top as you can see. So, TalkBack is in the Vision tab. We need to tap it once, and here we have the shortcut for it. So, we need to tap it once, enable yes, and now
TalkBack on.
TalkBack
Gestures for
is
certain features
on.
are now disabled. TalkBack. Navigate up. Button.
To
Double
turn
tap
it
to
off,
activate.
we need to select the function by tapping it once and then tap it 2 times to disable it. So select once,
TalkBack. On. Turn off TalkBack. Turn off. TalkBack off.
and that's all. Goodbye.